In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power window switch on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the front door. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head bit, we're going to remove the screw. Pull straight up on the bezel. If you need to, you can use a trim tool under the lip. There's a clip in the back and in the front. Remove the connector for the window switch, push right on top, pull straight back, remove the connector. Using a pick tool, push on the tab, pull back, and remove the window switch. Install the new window switch. It'll click into place, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install it into the door, push it down until it seats. Install the Phillips head screw. Get it nice and snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.